What's going on, guys? So it's another beautiful day in Mississippi. If you haven't done it yet, go ahead, like, subscribe, go ahead and get that out the way for me. But today I've showed you the clay bar and the that hydro slick from Chemical Guys. I want to put it to the test. Got this right here. This is the 88 Toyota pickup, and you can see this paint's kind of worn. It looks like it, at least, but that's just because it's been sitting here under a tree. And I'm gonna prove that because I'm gonna mark off part of it, and then I'm gonna clean this side and go ahead and, well, actually I'm just gonna clean the whole hood because the tape's not gonna stick to it with it on there. But then I'm gonna do one side with the clay bar and the hydro slick and leave one side just washed, and we're gonna see what the difference is, see if this video is worth being done. So all right, then I'm gonna get this set up and let y'all see and watch. So as you can see, I have it taped off right here. All I have done so far is just wash it with just the Chemical Guys citrus washing gloss. So what I'm going to do now is get out the synthetic clay bar, and I'm going to do just this side with that and the hydro slick, and we're going to see how it compares to the side that I don't do it at all to. So I'm going to show y'all that real quick. For those that you have not seen that video of me doing the BMW, there's a link up here somewhere. Probably don't have it right where I'm supposed to, but this is what I'm using right here. This is by Groit. I'm probably saying that wrong, but that's a synthetic clay bar, and it works really good. And that's what we're going to use real quick. It's definitely, yeah, it's definitely smoother. But let's see what happens when we do the hydro slick on this side now. This stuff right here, we're gonna check it out. This should be a good test for it. This is some pretty old paint for 88, so. Guys, it's been about that time, so I'm gonna go ahead and start removing this. and see what happens. Alright, so that seems to be it. Alright, so can y'all tell the difference? Looking down this camera, I can absolutely tell the difference in the two. I mean, looking at the same angle here. Here, hang on, let's do this ever so satisfying removing of the tape here. Alright. Look at the difference there. Look at that. Look at that difference. Holy crap. Wow, I wasn't expecting it to be such a clear difference. But bam, thumbnail right there. That's crazy. Now I got this whole vehicle. Alright, so yeah, so you know, as you saw the difference here, now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do the rest of the body here. I mean, it's got a little bit of rust here and there, but it's nothing really that bad. The paint's still, I mean, the body is sound, and like just stuff like right here, man, you know, like right here on the corners, which is to be expected because it was a work vehicle. It was used like it was supposed to, but I'm gonna go ahead and clean off all this stuff right here, and yeah, then go ahead and wax it up, see what it looks like when we get done, because you see it now. That's like the one and only dent right there, I think. Oh, that one right there. So two dents. All right then, well, I'll show you what it looks like when I get done. No, you don't need to see me wash it. What's going on, guys? So like I said, I went ahead and finished it up, and look at this shine. This is a 1988 original paint, and look at the shine. I mean, y'all saw what it was like before. I mean, this one's just as shiny as, look, it's just as shiny as the BMW. You can see my reflection almost perfect. I mean, yeah, there's some rust here and there, but it's all right. I mean, it's 1988. And look at the shine that this bottle right here, this and the, also, I mean, I gotta give props to that synthetic clay bar, because it made it like glass prior to even touching this thing. And yeah, I mean, look at this thing. That is just shiny. So if you think your vehicle's paint can't be restored, I guarantee you it probably can. Go grab you some, give it a shot. Not a paid promotion, just get out there and do it.
Just good stuff.
So like, subscribe. Thanks, guys.